How to export passwords from 1Password. So if you're using it in your preferred browser, it's much better to just install or download the app directly into your device, since the option to export your 1Password is much easier done in the app itself. So install the app, since it should just be free, and then you can just go ahead and log into your account using your security key and your password, and finally the email address. Then once you're logged in, just go ahead here in the left bar or the left tab. You'll be able to see a few options. You're gonna have to focus on this one, which is the top right corner, and it's a triple dot button. Go ahead and press on that. It's your menu, and then just go ahead and press on the export button, and then whichever kind of account or profile you want to export your passwords from. You're gonna have to enter your password and then choose your export file format, which is either 1PUX or CSV, but this will only export only certain fields. But you can choose whichever you prefer, and then once you've pasted in your password and chosen your format, just go ahead and press on export data, and then you should be able to get the file directly into your device. But that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.